Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing about why that your ulcer is not healing. You have an ulcer, right? And every time you be treating the ulcer and it is not going. First of all, I discussed is one of my previous video. I said ulcer is caused by, microorganism called Helicobacter pylori. So this microorganism cause stomach ulcer, which we all know. Now, an ulcer is an unusual sore development that occurs in our stomach. That is, the wound is wound that occur within the linings of the stomach. So this ulcer sometimes refuse to heal because of this excessive hydrochloric acid in your belly. So if there is too much acid in your belly, the ulcer will not go. So if you have an ulcer, most of the people sometimes they are the reason why the ulcer is not healing because they'll be taking something that will trigger the excess productions of this hydrochloric acid. So when you take something that trigger the excess productions of this acid, then the ulcer will remain. Like for example, now if you have ulcer, you shouldn't eat too much greasy and heavy food. Even if you are eating, learn how to eat bit by bit and regularly. Don't stay hungry, but don't eat too much heavy food at the same time. Learn to eat bit by bit, but never stay hungry. Number two, avoid greasy food because if you eat too much heavy food and greasy food, this triggers the productions of acid in your belly. And if this acid is much inside your belly, that will prevent that ulcer from healing. Number three, excessive consumptions of alcohol and coffee. Some people think that if you stop eating spicy food, they are okay. No. If you have an ulcer, stop consumptions of coffee and alcohol because whenever you take in coffee or alcohol, these substances go in there to increase the productions of acid in your belly. As such, prevent the ulcer from healing. Also, number four, talk about tobacco smoking. Smoking leads to the productions of acid in your belly. It triggers the productions of acid. So when this occurred, these prevent ulcer from healing. Okay, and also sometimes untreated ulcer. If the ulcer is caused by H. pylori, right? Antibiotics is what can be used to treat this ulcer. If you use the right antibiotics and the ulcer is properly treated, then you're going to be free. But sometimes you don't use the right antibiotic to treat the ulcer will remain there. H. pylori remain there and it causes damage to your system. So those are the best way of getting rid of ulcer.